Ladies and gentlemen, silence is one of the most powerful tools you have. It speaks louder than words, cuts deeper than arguments, and leaves a lasting mark on those who believe they could treat you poorly without consequences. Silence isn't just the absence of words, it's a declaration of strength, self-respect, and emotional control. When someone disrespects you, they expect chaos, shouting, angry words, or emotional reactions. That's what they feed on, what makes them feel powerful. But when you choose silence, you take that power away. They're left with nothing but their own guilt and regret, forced to confront the reality of their actions. Silence is not weakness. Silence is often misunderstood as weakness, but the truth is, it's the ultimate show of strength. It demonstrates that you're in control of your emotions, that you value your peace over their negativity. Choosing silence means you don't need to explain or defend yourself to someone who doesn't see your worth. When you refuse to respond, your silence forces them to reflect. Without a reaction to distract them, they're left alone with their thoughts, replaying what they've done. That realization without justification or argument is more powerful than any words you could have said. Your silence is their mirror. Silence acts as a mirror, reflecting their true character back at them. When you don't react, they're forced to sit with their guilt and insecurities. Without your words to deflect the blame, they're left to face the truth. They expected you to engage, to fight, or to prove your worth to them. Instead, your silence shows them that their actions don't define you, and their opinions don't control you. And that silence, it's louder than any argument could ever be. Walking away is strength. Walking away is not a sign of giving up, it's a sign of wisdom. It shows that you've chosen your peace over their conflict, your self-respect over their validation. By walking away in silence, you're reclaiming your power. This choice leaves them haunted. They're left to wonder why you didn't react, why you didn't fight back. And every time they think about it, your silence reminds them of what they lost: a person who valued kindness, patience, and understanding. Victory in silence. Your silence is your victory. It's a statement that you don't need to lower yourself to their level. It's proof that their disrespect didn't break you. By staying silent, you're focusing on your own growth, happiness, and peace rather than wasting energy on those who don't deserve it. Silence doesn't mean you're ignoring the issue, it means you're rising above it. It means you're prioritizing your well-being over someone else's need for control. Let your silence speak. So, let your silence speak for you. Let it be the answer to their disrespect and the reminder of your strength. Silence shows that you're in control, that you know your worth, and that you're not willing to waste energy on negativity. Take action. If this message resonates with you, comment below to share your story. How has silence helped you reclaim your power? Like this post to support others who are navigating similar struggles. Subscribe to my channel for more empowering content. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this today. Your silence is your strength, your peace, and your ultimate victory. Protect it, embrace it, and let it guide you toward a brighter, more peaceful future. In silence, you'll find your greatest power.